Davin, tell the dog stop barking. Tell him to stop. Tell Minnie to stop. Go to the door and tell her to stop. Go to the door and tell her to stop. Say, stop it. Be quiet. I think they listened to you. I think you told them to stop. Good job. They started barking again. Oh, now you're wanting to show off. Oh, Pawpaw? Okay. Hey, get off. You want to show? You want to show Mommy what you were freaking her out doing? Look, show me what you're doing.
Papa. Papa.
Pawpaw? Stop covering up the hole. Cheese. Say bye-bye.